Okay, so this is a video how to remove the back seat in your 2014 Hyundai Tucson. So there's actually two little clips. These are the cloth seats. I don't know if it's any different if it has leather seats or not, but these are the ones with the cloth seats. And there's two little clips about right here and right here that you just need to pull underneath. You're gonna find those clips and then pull on both sides of it just firm, okay? And you're gonna feel it's gonna pop a little bit. Just like that, okay? I already popped out the other side, but do the same thing. Again, the clip is right here. So let's see if you can see that. There's that kind of a plastic groove right there for the clip and then a metal clip up here. Okay, now to be able to remove this whole seat out, there's actually another bolt on the back side. Let's show you that real quick. Now, if you wanted to remove the entire seat, we've taken off there's a little cover, kind of a carpet cover right here. We just take that out, and then there's a bolt right here that you can remove that bolt, and then you get to remove the whole bottom seat if you want to. We're putting some seat covers on today. This is Covers Camo, and we're installing some seat covers on that bottom seat, so we'll actually be able to do what we need to, I believe, with just those front clips undone. But if you want to take the whole thing out for some reason, maybe replacing it, you just undo that bolt, whole thing's gonna release. Thanks.